All right, for this part, we're going to go into Microbit and actually set up so that we can interface with the rover. So open a new tab, start typing in make code, M-A-K-E, and it should be makecode.microbit.org. But it should show up. Hit enter, and we'll get our Microbit page. Everyone is going to open a new project. Okay, some of you do have this done already, but this is for everyone, just to make sure everyone has this. Click New Project, and we're going to call it RVR Rover Remote Control. Okay, hit Create, and it'll open up all of our Microbit stuff. But here's the deal. In Microbit, you have your basic Microbit stuff, but you can also then add more. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to click on Advanced, and you get all these other options. At the very bottom is this one called Extensions. Go ahead and click on it. And what we get is this search website. So we can search a whole bunch of different stuff. Don't do this, but I just want to check. I'm pretty sure we can't just search for rover. We can. Holy cow, that makes it so much easier. So go into the search bar and type in RVR and hit enter. It didn't used to be that way. We'll take it as a win. Type in RVR, hit enter, and this should be the only thing that shows up. Go ahead and click on it. And what you'll now see is it added in rover controls. Okay, so now if I click on this, I can actually add in pieces. Okay, so I'm actually going to get you set up with this in the meantime. So here we go. And again, it'll make more sense once we get to class tomorrow and the rest of this week. So once you have that, let me just make sure here. We're going to get rid of on start. So go ahead and grab on start and put it in the trash. We don't need it. I think we want forever. Over here, not loops, we want logic. So go ahead and click on logic. And the one we're going to pull out is this one that says if true then. So we're going to grab this, pull it out, and click it in under forever. That's the startup of it so far. And yeah, so we're good. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to add on to this. So we're going to add by hitting the plus button. 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to make sure that there's 4 spaces available. So here's how this is going to work. You are going to create a Microbit program that when you push buttons on the Microbit that will be plugged into the rover, it will actually remote control drive it around. So if you remember, the Microbit has 3 buttons. There's the A button, the B button, but then I can hit the A and B at the same time. So here's what we're going to do. Go to input, and we want button A is pressed. Go ahead and grab it. It's like a hexagon, and we're going to put it in this first hexagon spot. So we're going to replace the word true with that. So if button A is pressed, whatever I put here is going to happen on the rover. Now, there is one small trick to this. We have to change this to AB first. I don't know why, but so far that's what it's been happening in other classes. We need the AB to happen first. Let's go ahead to input, grab another one, put it in the second box down, go ahead to input, grab another one, and put it in the third box down. So I really have 3 choices, AB, A, and then change this one to B. Okay, so at this point, that's all I need everyone to have set up. Okay, so once that's done, I can go back to my main page. All right, get ready for what comes next.